Hello, Sanbonani. My name is CBO. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. Let's begin. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Measure the flour, level it and sift it into a mixing bowl. Please check the description box for extensive details on this recipe. I'll leave a link for fluffy smooth scones there. Add salt, sugar and baking soda. Add fruit, dried fruit, saltanas and raisins, and mix. In another separate bowl, beat an egg. The second one, I used it for egg washing. Add vanilla extract or essence and mix. Add into the flour cubed cold as ice butter. Rub the flour and butter between your fingers. Coat the flour and make crumbs. Gradually add the egg and buttermilk or amasi and mix with a spoon or fork. As soon as the liquid is absorbed, stop mixing. Sprinkle flour on the tabletop and place the dough. Apologies, I have lost that footage. The dough will look loose. Mold it with your hands. Sprinkle flour if it is sticky, then continue rolling gently. We are rolling gently to avoid overworking the dough. Remember, this is fast forwarded. When the dough looks like this, start folding, molding, and continue to roll with the pin. We are going to roll or fold 3 times. This is the first fold. Sprinkle flour if the dough sticks to the rolling pin and brush the rolling pin with the flour too. This is the second fold. Once folded, change the position of the dough and roll with the pin. A warm welcome to those who are new to this channel. Please subscribe and press the notification bell to get new posts. This is the third fold. Remember, once folded, change the position of the dough and roll again. Roll it and leave it thick for cutting. Dip the cutter into the flour to avoid the dough sticking on the cutter. Cut and place the cut dough in a baking tray lined with the baking paper. Please press the like button to help circulate this video as a gesture of support to the channel. When the dough looks like this, Push it together, mold it, and gently roll it thick. Please do not knead it. Continue cutting it until it is finished, meaning you will have to repeat the process until all is done. The last one always looks weird, but here it is. Brush only the top of the dough with an egg or buttermilk. Bake for 25 minutes or until they are golden. Please do not forget to press the like button and leave a comment below and tell me, would you try this recipe? I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for your time. I hope to see you soon on my next video. Bye bye.